Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix PS5 crashing. So, there are 3 common causes of this problem: overheating, software glitches, and hardware issues. Below we will go into detail about each problem and how to fix them. First, about overheating problem. This is the most common causes of PS5 crashing. The PS5 is a powerful gaming console that generates a lot of heat, especially during extended gaming sessions. If the cooling system cannot keep up, the PS5 will overheat and cause problems. Over here, there are 2 main causes of overheating: PS5 placed in a poorly ventilated place and PS5 cooling system is not working properly due to dust accumulation over time. So, the proposed solution is place your console in a well-ventilated place and clean the PS5 cooling system if you have used it for a long time. Now that we've made sure the PS5 isn't overheating, let's talk about software glitches. Over here, if the game or the PS5 system software is not updated regularly, it can cause compatibility issues and crashes. This can also happen if there are bugs in the game or software. Here are some solutions. Solution 1. Update PS5 system software. Select Settings from the home screen. Navigate to System. Go to System Software. Go to System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software. This option will prompt your system to check for the latest firmware version. If you do not have the latest version, it will be downloaded to your system. Solution 2. Turn off HDMI device link. On the home screen of your PS5 console, select the settings icon. Navigate to System. Go to HDMI. Find the Enable HDMI device link option and turn off the toggle to disable the feature. Solution 4. Clear cache and rebuild database. You need go to safe mode to turn off your console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. 1 beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Right now, connect the controller with the USB cable. Then press the PS button on the controller. Over here, go to Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Clear Cache. If this way not working, then go back here and select Rebuild Database. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix all problems. Right now, if the problem only occurs on a certain game, then it is likely that the game itself is having problems. So, please go to the official social media page of the game or the forums of the game you are having problems with, then check if other players are having the same problem as you. Besides, if you are installed the game on external hard drive, please try moving the game to the internal SSD. If the problem persists, please try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. In case it happens on all games and apps, then please factory reset your PS5. Finally, it is about hardware issues. If the power supply is not providing enough power to the PS5, it can cause the console to crashing. This can happen if the power supply is faulty or if there is a power surge. So, please check your home's electrical outlets and power supply. Besides, if there is a problem with the internal components of the PS5, it can cause the console to crashing. This can happen if there is a problem with the motherboard, processor, or other internal components. Please contact the repair shop for the best support at this time. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.